So guys, in this video I will tell you about one simple but effective method of binary options trading, which is based on only one indicator. So, if you want to increase your profit, not spending much time on complicated systems, then you've come to the right place. I will share the secrets that will help you to make rational decisions and trade successfully even with minimum experience. So, if you want to find even more relevant advices and on trading, then join my Telegram channel following the link in the description. So, enjoy, and we're getting started. So guys, now I'm switching to the TradingView platform. This is the largest platform for the chart analysis used by a significant number of traders. And we will use this indicator on this platform. However, if you're visiting this platform for the first time, then likely you won't have the required currencies applied. To add them, click to the section with the plus sign. Here we need to select Forex section and add the currency pairs with FXCM as the quotation provider. Now let's add the indicator to the chart. We go to the indicator section, select community and choose the indicator called support and resistance with buy-sell signals from this author. What this indicator shows is already clear from its name, but I will explain it anyway. So, this indicator shows us the support level, which is marked green, and the resistance level, which is marked red. Okay, our task is to wait for the moment when the price reaches either support level or resistance level in order to open deal on the rollback from these levels. Of course, using certain analysis and confirming factors. In addition to the levels, we also have buy and sell signals here. So, I found the first interesting case for entry. Let's take a look at what we see here. Firstly, I see the price has approached the resistance level on our indicator and the rollback has begun. As a confirmation factor, I can note that in this situation we have an engulfing pattern. This is a pattern consisting of two candles in which the second candle completely engulfs the previous one. In this situation, the red candle absorbs green one, which indicates me a strong seller in this area. As for confirmation factor, I can note this resistance level as well, from which we have already seen some reactions to the decrease, to bet lower, and most likely this rollback could have also occurred due to the price entering this level. Well, that's not all. I'm switching to the 5-minute time frame. Okay, on 5-minute time frame, I can see the price has already reached the resistance level on our indicator. When entering this level, the price immediately began a rollback movement. I also see that we have a certain resistance level here, which we had already seen some reactions from, and this reactions also confirms the strength of this level. Accordingly, I will open a sell deal here. So I switch to the broker and open a downward deal for 1 minute. As you can see, in this situation, I analyzed both 1-minute time frame and 5-minute time frame during trading. However, I will of course focus on 1-minute time frame since the expiration time for my deal is 1 minute. Okay, while this deal is in process, I would like to tell you something important about choosing the currency pair. The thing is, on TradingView there are no currencies with OTC mark being translated, since currencies with OTC are currencies provided by the broker. Based on that, I want to give you an important rule, guys. When trading in this strategy, please always choose currencies with no OTC mark. Okay, we had a confident downward movement and the deal closed in a profit. And from this deal, I was able to earn $89. Excellent result! Let's look for the next cases. So, I found a second good situation to work on. Let's check what we can see at this moment. Okay, in this situation, I see the price has reached the support level on our indicator. In fact, there have already been certain reactions from this level. The price has been falsely broken through it. However, when it broke through, a rollback began immediately upon entering this level, which indicates that there is a certain buyer here who will most likely push the price up. And if I zoom the chart out, I can also see that we have a local resistance level that has already been broken through once. However, the price has returned to it. This phenomenon is called a level retest, and most often after that the price continues to move upward. That's not all, guys. Let's also look at the 5-minute time frame. On 5-minute time frame, if we look at the last segment, we can see the good uptrend here with each high point getting higher than the previous one, each maximum. This also indicates that in this situation, the price is likely to go up, and at the top I see certain resistance levels that the price is likely to strive for. So my deal is opened, I'm expecting an upward movement. If it's closed in a profit, then I will earn $84 from this deal, and that will be a very good result. We're waiting for the deal to be closed. In general, one confirming factor is already enough to successfully close the deal in a profit. However, the more confirmation you find, the greater are your chances to close the deal in a profit. In fact, it turned out to be a very interesting trade, and during the deal the price fell very sharply, but as you can see, the buyer turned out to be stronger here and was able to close the candle in their favor. The deal turned out to be a good one in the end. Let's look for the next situation. I found another situation to work on. Let's check what we see in this situation. In this case, I see the price has reached the resistance level on our indicator. In addition, we have a certain resistance level on the chart. Okay, there have already been certain reactions to decrease from this level, which confirms the strength of this level. We also have a certain resistance level at the bottom, which the price will most likely strive for. We also open a 5-minute time frame, and on the 5-minute time frame I can note that the price has approached this resistance level here, and from it I still expect a rollback movement. So my deal is opened. If this deal is closed in a profit, I will earn a net profit of $141.86. So I opened the desired currency pair and opened a sell deal. If this deal is closed in a profit, I will earn a net profit of $141.86. And while we're waiting for the outcome, let's also discuss the procedure for entering a position. So, firstly, you need to see the price approaching the resistance level or support level on our indicator. Secondly, you need to start looking for confirming factors on the 5-minute time frame and on the 1-minute time frame. If you're open a deal for 1 minute, just like I do, then you should focus more on 1-minute time frame. Once you have found the confirming factors, you can safely open a deal with all the risks involved. We have a steady downward movement, a confidence movement. My balance now is $414.86, and I think it's an excellent result, guys. As a result of this trading session, I was able to increase my balance by more than 4 times. Oh my god, the strategy is as simple as possible, and absolutely each of you can study it and make the same profit just like I do. And that's it for the video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you soon. Bye.